Hi, my name's Stuart Quinney and welcome to my new channel, the Cornish Darkhorse. I've been into motorcycling since my teens. Starting on a Triumph, had a BSA for a bit and then went to a Honda. With the Honda I did a bit of dispatch riding around London. I then had a long break without motorcycles due to basically kids and the family thing. When I've got a motorcycle, it's my main transport, so it's not so much a leisure item, although it is to me, like so many other bikers, therapy. Some of you might have seen my other channel, Quintel's, which is more about what myself and my wife get up to in respect of where we go, traveling, well-being, and tell a little bit of a story about the period of time I had a serious illness and the recovery process. But this channel is basically going to be focused purely on motorcycles. Yeah, I hope to bring you some videos on bike meets or bike nights here in Cornwall and all over the country. So I get quite involved in bike events or bike meets, particularly here in the UK, some in Europe, and a major Indian festival in America. Yeah, I thought it was time to create a channel purely on the bike related stuff. I myself at the moment own an Indian motorcycle Roadmaster Darkhorse and live in Cornwall, so hence Cornish Darkhorse. Also, I'll try and do some comparison videos with like for like motorcycles and brands, and I will be producing some promotional videos for bike related items, whether it be at a garage, a biker location, or other bike nights and events. So hopefully as I progress my content will improve. I'm experimenting with the editing, with the way I video. At the moment I use a GoPro Black 10 and a Insta360, and I do a little bit of filming with the iPhone as well, so I mix them all in to hopefully give you some good content. I need to experiment with a microphone because watching someone ride with a bit of music, it does get a bit tedious. To have a bit of commentary will break up the video a lot better and give a little bit more content. So that's future plans, but I've got to experiment with that. So hopefully you'll like the content. If you don't, please comment, let me know what I can do to improve. It would help me massively if you would subscribe to the channel, and if you think I've done a good video or you're happy with it, hit the like button. I look forward to sharing my journey with you, and some of the experiences all revolve around motorcycles.